Introducing Gigglii, a marketplace that helps you instantly connect with trusted and reliable service providers. Let's take a look at how it works. Olivia really needs a babysitter. Using Gigglii, she's able to find, connect, and engage with a babysitter in her area within minutes. Now she can work peacefully while the kids are looked after. It's not a good day for Emma. She needs immediate help to fix a water leak. Using Gigglii, she is able to quickly find and schedule an appointment with a plumber. The repairman shows up and the problem is fixed in minutes. Emma is pleased, and upon her confirmation in Gigglii, the payment is released instantly. Lily is a smart girl, but occasionally she needs help with her studies. Her dad uses Gigglii to find and engage an online tutor with just a few taps. Gigglii holds the service provider's payment until the customers are fully satisfied with the work. Download Gigglii today and instantly connect with trusted and reliable service providers.